This is me, and I am going to work, and it's a Christmas factory and it's an M&M factory. So yeah. This is the place where you get M&Ms, and if there's no coin inside, it will not work. Come on, work. Why is this working? See? Oh, sorry. 2 onions. I'm just gonna eat one. Yummy. I'm going to toilet. Bye. Wait. Don't look at me eating in the toilet. I'm done. I want to show you something. It's my poo. Like it? It's my pig poo. Okay, it's gonna be closed now, but I'll show you around the phone. We also make candies here, like gummy bears and stuff. And this is really awesome. It's a big gummy. It's a giant gummy bear on a stick, and this one's really cool because it's free flavors. It's lime, lemon, and strawberry. And this is where we put really cool products. And like this one is like a what's the matter with a candy thing, and you can put all candies and nuts inside, and it's germ free. This is like a rocket with candies, and you can put candy inside. And if you're playing with it in a party, you can put confetti inside and secretly play with it and drop confetti down. And this one is a really cool one because it's like this board, and there are lots of holes, and you can draw with it, and it puts lots of little candy balls inside. And then when you're done, you can put it out into a bowl, and if you want, then eat it. But if you want to play with it again, you can just refill it. And I'm just gonna eat my poo. And I'm gonna poo again. Bye. Yeah. Okay, I'm back. And that's your tour around my Christmas M&M factory. Actually, Easter. I don't know why there's a M&M in a Santa's costume holding a present. There's actually M&M inside, but I don't open it. So yeah. Bye! 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 Yeah.